right, we're sitting here in my truck and got the man, the legend, Terry Broxton here chilling.
That's a loud ass 10. I remember that 10.
What do you think of that 10?
The 95, what is it? 9510 G motor.
What do you think?
It's loud, especially a sound. Can you think it's 412s or 415s in here?
All right, well, let's check this out. Here we go. What do you think?
That is the loudest 10 I've heard for something for booming down the street. You'll think you pull up in a shopping mall or something, they'll look at the guy with the 415s instead of your truck and get him the ticket.
Did you see it doing a hair trick with her hair?
Yeah, one damn 10. I can't believe it's that fits, bangs that hard. The hell with SPL. You gotta love the boom down the street.
That's right. I'm gonna show everybody what it is, what he's talking about.
That's it right there.
One little 10. Yeah, the box is kind of big, don't ask.
Oh, what street A woofer, right? 95, 10, oh, it's a 95.